Are you looking for a pre-built gaming PC around $500? In this video, I will show you the best pre-built gaming PCs around $500 in 2021 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fourth product on the list is the CUK AsRock DeskMini X300W. The AsRock DeskMini A300W barebone system features a small form-factor motherboard that supports an AM4 socket APU. Using an APU means your graphics are integrated onto the CPU and are capable of streaming video and web browsing content. The AsRock DeskMini A300 features an aluminum MOSFET heat sink that provides great heat dissipation to ensure system stability while loading. DeskMini A300 supports 3 simultaneous display outputs. Expand your desktop by multiplying your screen area. With multiple monitors, games become more immersive, workstations become more useful, and you become more productive. Users get smooth video playback with the lower power APUs on the DeskMini A300 barebone systems. Enjoy removed video judder and high-quality frame rate conversion while interpolating frames using GPU compute. AsRock's M.2 Wi-Fi kit includes the Intel AC3168 M.2 Wi-Fi module and 2 antennas, offering wireless connectivity for the DeskMini series. The third product on the list is the iBUYPOWER Trace 49310. Introducing the iBUYPOWER Trace 49310. This system is rocking an Amd Ryzen 5 3600, which is a great value for performance CPU, which will help run any AAA at great frame rates. Booting up alongside the Ryzen 5 3600 is an Amd Radeon Rx 5500 XT. This GPU is no slouch, but instead is one great workhorse to help get you the FPS you want in all games out now. Customize the colors and set them to your liking by downloading your motherboard manufacturer's RGB software off their website. Unique custom side panel design to allow efficient airflow throughout the system, keeping your components cool. The second product on the list is the Ryzen 3200G. Brand new custom-built affordable desktop gaming PC. I personally assemble, test, and pack each system myself. This unit is the best option in the sub-500 price range. It is capable of playing games like Minecraft, CSGO, LOL, Dota 2 and more. This system can even handle games like Fortnite on mostly medium settings at 1080p resolution. It can run most games at around 60 frames per second. If you are getting one, make sure to get good RAM sticks like a 2x8GB 3200MHz kit, since the iGPUs rely on RAM. The first product on the list is the iBUYPOWER Element Mini 9300. Introducing the iBUYPOWER Element Mini 9300. This system comes with an AMD Ryzen 3 3100, which is a great value for performance CPU, which will help run most games at great frame rates. Booting up alongside the Ryzen 3 3100 is an AMD Radeon RX 550. This GPU is no slouch, but instead is one great for light gaming. Our iBUYPOWER Element Mini 9300 is not your typical system. Instead of a mid-tower system, this system is a smaller form factor, but have the same reliable performance at an obtainable cost. Connect external devices such as a mouse, keyboard, microphone, speakers, or even portable hard drives to the convenient front ports. In addition, RGB lighting can be controlled by using the LED button. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.